Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready. Now start pairing. First, confirm your phone is on the routers too. 4 GHz network because many plugs don't support 5 GHz. This matters for compatibility. Then, plug in the device and watch the LED. Blinking means it's in setup mode, otherwise hold the power button 3 to 5 seconds to enter pairing. Once the app is open and you're signed in, choose Add Device. The app walks you through local network permission, prompts to connect the plug. Once the app finds the plug, you'll configure the network details, select the correct device type, then enter the 4 GHz Wi-Fi SSID and password. This is how the plug reaches the cloud. Make sure you grant location and local network permissions when prompted, because many mobile OSs require them for device discovery. After the device registers, rename it for easy voice and automation control. This helps when you say, "Turn off bedroom lamp," and the system knows which outlet to switch. Finish by testing the plug. Toggle power from the app and confirm the plugged device responds instantly, because that verifies both local and cloud paths. Once done, set a simple schedule or scene to ensure automation works, and link your account to a voice assistant if you want hands-free control. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot your router and phone, attempt setup again, and if needed, perform a factory reset on the plug to clear previous network data before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.